Dear students, in previous class we discussed about various topologies. There may be a star topology, bus topology, second is the bus topology, and third is the your ring topology, ring or circular topology. Then fourth one is the, and also discuss about advantage and disadvantage of all topologies. Fourth is the tree topology. Okay. First is the star, bus, ring, tree. Star topology, then bus topology, then ring or circular topology, then tree topology, and next is graph topology, and one more is the mesh topology. These are the types of topologies we have discussed in previous class. So next class, now see next point. Transmission medium. So what do you mean by transmission medium? By transmission media or communication channel of network, it is the mean that the connecting cables or connecting media, the cables that connect two or more workstations are the communication channels. What do you mean by communication channels? Communication channel means what? We can connect the two or more workstations. We can connect the two or more workstations with cable or without cable. With cable or without cable. Okay. Nowadays you are using the Wi-Fi. Means connection between two workstations without wire. That is called as the Wi-Fi. Wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi means what? Wireless fidelity. So, and also you are using the broadband connections. What do you mean by broadband connections? Using that also you are going to do connection between two workstations through the cable. Okay. Whenever you are using the cable, that is mean about what? Connection between two workstations with cable. And if you are not using the cable, if you are using the satellite, it is called as using the wireless communication. Wired communication and wireless communication. Okay. To do communication between two channels, we need some wires. So what are the types of wires are available that we are going to discuss here. To make the network between the computers, to do networking within computer systems, we have to use the cables. So what types of cables are available, what are its advantages, what are its disadvantages, okay, how this wire is made up of, that all those things we are going to discuss in today's class. Already I told you, this chapter is a purely theory based chapter only. Just we are going to learn about which are the devices required for to do the networking. What are types of networkings are there? What are the topologies are there? Which are the equipments we required? Which are devices we required? That all those things we are going to discuss in this chapter. It is not practical oriented chapter. This is a purely theory oriented chapters. There is no practical from this chapter. The only theoretically the questions will ask from this chapter. So we have to write or we have to study about the devices. If you want to make the networking, then which are the devices you require? If you want to make the networking, then which are the devices you require? We have to discuss in this chapter. Then see, first cable is a twisted pair cable. The different cables are there. In that, first we are going to learn about twisted pair cable. So what do you mean by twisted pair cable? For what purpose they use it? How it is made up of? That all those things we are going to discuss here. And for what purpose we are using this type of cable? That is also important. For data communication or voice communication. Okay. For voice also you have to use the cables. For data also you have to use the cables. Okay. Telephone lines. In telephone lines there are two types. One is for voice communication, another is one for data communication. So for that we have to use the cables. Then see, first cable is a twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable have with the two things in common. Okay. In this cable it is having the two common things. Then which are those? First one is the wires come in a pairs. The whatever twisted pair cable is there, that came with the pairs, means it is having some pairs. In that wire, it is a pairs. It is a coated wire In that, it is having the some pair of wires. It is not a single wire. The wires came in pair means what? It is not a one single wire. It is came with an pairs. It is having the pairs. It is not a single wire. Okay, it is come with the pairs. The second thing is that the pairs of wires are twisted around each other. The pairs of wires are twisted with each other means what? That pairs of wires are also coated, or twisted means what? You can call it as a inbuilt. Inbuilt, it is a rounded with the some other covers. Okay. So this is about what? The pairs of wires are twisted around each other. If you are having the two wires, then both the wires are twisted. Or if you are having three wires, then all three wires are twisted. This is the second common thing. Then see, the most common form of wire in data communication application is the twisted pair cable. The most common form of wire in data communication application is the twisted pair cable. Means what? In data communications, we are using the twisted pair cable. As a wise grade medium, VGM means wise grade medium. The question will ask for 1 mark. Expand VGM. VGM means wise grade medium. It is the basis for most internal office telephone wiring. This is basis for most internal telephone wiring. So in telephone offices, most of them they are using this type of cable, that is a twisted pair cable. In telephone offices for voice communication as well as data communications, they are using the cable. That cable is called as a twisted pair cable. Okay. VGM means voice grade communication. It is called as a VGM, voice grade communication. For voice purpose also, it is using in internal office of the telephone wiring. In telephone offices, they are using this type of cable also for to do the networking. Then problems can occur due to differences in the electrical characteristics between the pairs, the length, resistance and capacitance. For this reason, LAN application will tend to use higher quality cables known as a data grade medium. So, what will happen? When you are using the cables for long distances, when your cable is long distances and more capacitance, in that time what will happen? The sum of the occurs will be happens in that wires. Problems can occur due to the differences in the electrical characteristics. They are passing the electrical from that cable. So because of long length or resistance or capacitance, some problems will be occurred. So sometimes you may see that using the LAN phone, you will dial to one number, but that call goes to another number only. That is, you can call it a cross connection. Why cross connection happens? Because of problems occurred in electrical characteristics. This is the main reason. You are going to call one X person, but that call goes to Y person. It is called as a cross connection. Or sometimes if you call the X persons, but in phone talking by another person only, Y person only, you are listening to his words or her words. So that will happen. That is called the cross connections. That is because of this cable. There is a problem in cable. That cross talk will be happens because of this type of cables. Okay. To avoid this one, they are again using the high quality cables, that is known as the DGM, means data grade medium. VGM means voice grade medium. Using a voice grade medium, some problems are occurred. To avoid these problems, we are using again new high quality cable, that is called as a DGM, means data grade medium. So this is called as a twisted pair cable. Then see, what are the advantages of twisted pair cable? While using the twisted cable, what are the advantages while use this one? The first one is that it is simple and physically flexible. Twisted pair cable is a simple one and it is a physically flexible, means you can easily install anywhere. Because it is a physically flexible. If it is a flexible, you can use in small offices also, in small spaces also. If it is not flexible, then you are not able to use this one in small spaces. So it is a simple for installation and physically flexible. So if it is physically flexible, you can use the in small spaces also. That is the first main advantage. Okay, and for installations also it is easy. Okay, it comes with the pairs, different pairs, so you can use the pairs to make the networking. Then second is it can be easily connected. So it is having the pairs. So because of pairs, when you connect all the pairs, the easily that cable will get connected. No differences in the cables. So second main advantage is that it can be easily connected. Third, it is easy to install and maintain. So already I told you, cable is flexible and it is simple installation. So you can make its installation very easily, and also in future also you can maintain it easily, because if your cable is simple, installation is simple, then obviously maintenance is also simple method. When your cable is not simple, it is not physically flexible, its installation is not easy, then it difficult for us to maintain in future. It is difficult for us to maintain in future. But if it is the easiest one, it is physically flexible, then you can easily maintain it in future. Got it? So this is about what easy to install and maintain. For first time installation is also it is easy, because of it's a flexible, because of its easy installation. And after the installation in future also you can make it in, or you can use it in very easily. Maintain means what? After installation in future, if any problems will be occurred, in that case you can easily maintain it. In this you can easily maintain it. It has a low weight. Its weight is also less. So some cables will came with the high weight. In that case what will happen? It is easy to maintain, easy to carry. Sorry, it is not easy to carry high weight. It is a low weight. Because of low weight, you can easily carry it in anywhere. Okay, it does not require separate racks for maintain the cables. You can keep it in anywhere because of lightweight, low weight. So this is also one main advantage. It is inexpensive. See, so many advantages are there. It is inexpensive means what? Its cost is also less. It is not expensive one. It is a simple cable, physically flexible cable. It's low weight, means the weight is also lower. So it's a inexpensive, not expensive cable. It is a inexpensive cable. Got it? So this is the easiest way. These are the different advantages. It is simple and flexible, physically flexible. It can be easily connected. It is easy to install and maintain. It has a low weight. It is inexpensive. These are the different advantages, because questions may be asked for you in examination. What is twisted pair cable? Explain its advantage or write its advantages. So you have to write what is twisted cable and then you have to write the advantages. Or sometimes they will ask the question, write the advantage and disadvantage of twisted pair cable, like that. The question may be asked you. Write the advantages and disadvantages of twisted pair cable. So first disadvantage. See, if you are having the advantage, then definitely you are having the disadvantage. Yesterday I told you, in every person, if he is having the advantage, and definitely he is having the disadvantages. Definitely. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಊಟ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಅಮೃತ ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ವಿಷ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಮೃತ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಈ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಅಮೃತ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದು ವಿಷನೂ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. If you are a good person, if you are a good person for one, for remainings you are a bad person. You are not a good person for all. If you are a good person for somebody, you are a hero for somebody. For others you are a villain. You are not hero for all the persons. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೀರೋ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಹೀರೋ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ನುಳಿದವರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ವಿಲನೇ ಇರ್ತೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೀರೋ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ಸು ಇರ್ತವೆ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ಸು ಇರ್ತವೆ. ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಡಿಸ್ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಊಟ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಅಮೃತ ಆದರೆ ಉಳಿದವರಿಗೆ ಅದು ವಿಷಯ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಕೆಲವರು ನೀವು ಹೀರೋ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನುವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ವಿಲನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೀವು ಹೀರೋ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗಿನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. got it? So see, twisted pair cable is having the advantages as well as disadvantages. We have discussed the advantages. Now see what are the disadvantages. Its low bandwidth capabilities make it unsuitable for broadband applications. See, for voice communications you can use it, no problem, but its bandwidth is very low, bandwidth capability is very low. So because of that it is not suitable for broadband applications. If you want to use the broadband applications, then this type of cable is not suitable. Twisted pair cable is not suitable for your broadband applications, because our broadband application have a high bandwidth. It requires a high bandwidth. So because of its low bandwidth, it is not possible for us to use in the broadband applications. Incapable of carrying signals over long distance. This is the second disadvantage. See, everyone tell us twisted pair cable is very much easy. It is simple, physically flexible, it can connect it easily, it is easy to install, easy to maintain, it has a low weight, it's inexpensive. These all are advantages. Then see, what is disadvantage? It is incapable for carrying signals over long distance. Again, means if you are having the long distance, this cable is not suitable because it is not able to carry signals over long distances. It is not able to carry signals to long distances. If you are having the long distance, then this is not suitable. This cable is not suitable because it will not carry signals to over a long distance. So again, this is the second disadvantage. So first disadvantage is that it is having the low bandwidth. So because of low bandwidth, it is not possible to use for broadband applications. Second disadvantage is that it is not capable to carry signals over the long distance. This is second disadvantage. The similar third is it supports maximum data rates 1 Mbps to 10 Mbps only. Not more than that. Means the data transmission can happen 1 MB to 10 Mbps only, not more than that. Okay, so this is about what advantages and disadvantages of twisted pair cable. Got it? We told that so many advantages, the 5 advantages were given, but again it has a 3 disadvantages. But once again I will repeat what are the disadvantages. Its low bandwidth capabilities make it unsuitable for broadband applications. Because of its low bandwidth, it is not possible for us to use for broadband applications. Second is that incapable for carrying signals over the long distance. If you are having the long distance, then it is not possible for us to capable signals over the long distance using this cable. Then third is it supports maximum data rates for 1 Mbps to 10 Mbps, not more than that. If you are having the data transformation more than 10 Mbps, then this cable again not suitable, because it supports for only 1 Mbps to 10 Mbps. Mbps means what? Megabytes per second. You can transfer data megabytes per second in network, through the network. Using this cable, how much you can transfer? 1 megabytes to 10 megabytes per second. Means per second you can send that much of data. So these are the some disadvantages, advantages and disadvantages. So tomorrow I will discuss next types of twisted pair cables. Tomorrow I will discuss this one, types of twisted pair cables. Okay. So this is about what? First transmission medium, that is a twisted pair cable. We are discussing what is twisted pair cable, advantages and disadvantages in today's class. Tomorrow I will discuss about types of twisted pair cable. Thank you.